Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, May 15th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So, standing ovation for the bulls as the S&P with a new all-time high. We go out with a triple distribution day to the day up, price probe, and a gap that holds. So that's 8 out of 26 upside gaps that have held this year. 19 out of 61 trend days, 2 in a row. Range was decent, volume crappy, but it's nowhere near in the top 10 lightest. It should be about at least 60 million, I would think, or 60 million with the after hours. NQ, look at this. NQ missed the all-time high by 2 points. 2 points they missed the all-time high by. But they do go out with a triple distribution day and a gap also that holds. Okay? In fact, NQ goes out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of single prints that held. That's very rare. Very rare. But they couldn't get the all-time high by 2 points. Righty fills their gap from today in B period. And 11 wide. They do not get the IB high or low, and they do not get either side of the overnight. Very interesting. Now, I am calling ES and SPY up on all 3 time frames, monthly, weekly, daily. NQ, balance rules, is still in effect. They missed the all-time high by 2 points. Now, triple Q is a different story. Triple Qs I would call up on the monthly. They've taken out their previous monthly high by a bunch of dollars. NQ, however, has not. Now, SPY is also pretty far ahead of ES, but I think ES took theirs out by enough, especially with that price spike late in M period, to call them up on the monthly. Had a good day. I had to leave for a while, and then when I came back, the market really didn't do anything until, in NQ it didn't do anything at all. ES spiked late in the day, but I had a good day all from the long side. All from the long side. I was long in A period in NQ to get the open against the opening, which paid me. I was long in let's go down to where we were. So I was long in A period when the market before it got the overnight high, when it pulled back against the opening, paid. I got long in B period to pop A's high. I got long in C period to get the overnight high. I was long in ES in C period also, with the single prints that they were holding and the ebb and flow. D period and Q, long against single prints. And then in F period, I nailed the afternoon pullback low. I think I missed it by a couple of points to get that low. Now, I did not hold it for a long time, but did well. Then I had to leave for a while. When I came back, the market was already popping in J period, and then it just sat down and did nothing when I was here for the last 2 hours, basically. So it was a good day overall. Again, fantastic day for the bulls. This is what we talk about in the room, too. Look, if you're not comfortable buying this, that doesn't mean you short it. You stay out of the way. We had 3 mini pullbacks today. F, and this is ES. F, I, and K, and I mean mini. Right? Total of like maybe, 6, 8 points. Not a lot, considering the gap and the strong move up. NQ is even stronger. NQ did not stop one time framing down until K period today. Okay, I'm sorry. F period, like us, and then again not till K period. We came back a little more in I period in ES. So very, very strong day, right? And what did that strong day come off of? Base of, right? We had a price spike yesterday. The base of the beat, remember in K period? So it's amazing how it held, and even the 20 wide overnight POC, which I'll carry forward. So the bull wins the day big time. Is this sustainable? Of course it is. I know the volume stinks. I know the tempo hasn't really been good, but it doesn't matter. We're now up on all 3 time frames. NQ is trying to go up on all 3 time frames. Righty is up on the weekly and daily. And they're also in balance on their monthly. As far as destinations go, well, we're in uncharted territory now. 530.08 is SPY's all-time high, and there's nothing above. Our downside today is our price probe, which is J's high of 529.43, and then 3 sets of single prints. First one 528.33 to 17. Second one 527.40 to 25. Third set 527.13 to 526.80. And then today's low of 525.18 and filling the gap at 523.83, $1.35. In ES, 37.25, all-time high, nothing above that. Downside, price probe, 30.25. Single prints, 18.75 to 17.25. Second set, 09.50 to 08. Third set, 06.50 to 03.25. And then today's low of 86.75 and filling the gap at 74.25. So 12.5 points. And I'm also carrying forward the 20-wide POC of 71.75. And then let's go to the charts. Again, my new website is up and running, camelbacktrading.org. There's different price points for when you sign up via the website or via PayPal or PayPal or Venmo. And also, I have a discount for military members who I hold in very, very high regard, whether you're active or retired. So please check it out. Now, here's our charts. I'm calling the monthly up now, okay? We had come into balance last month, right? We took out the previous month's low, which stopped the one-time framing up of 5 months. Now, I'm not going to call it one-time framing up yet, but the bottom line is, for me, it's up right now on the monthly. The weekly is up, and we're getting distance. We had that inside week 4 weeks ago, came out of it, tried to push lower initially, had a great finish to that week, and look what we've done since. Now, last week's volume was horrendous, 237 million. This week we're at 150 million with 2 days to go. Hopefully it's a little better, but the volume is no doubt something for the bigger picture to be aware of. And the daily, up, gap my main focus. We had a decent range. So look at, right, markets don't go bull bear or bear bull. So we had gone into balance, back to bull on a gap, bull, back to balance, bull, balance, bull. So again, we talk about trying to pick tops. It's a losing game. Don't do it. Don't do it. Anyway, I hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.